Hello everyone. With this chart, we'll try to learn about the different properties of synapses. Different properties are convergence and divergence, one-way conduction, synaptic delay, fatigue or habituation, summation, whether it can be temporal or summation, occlusion, subliminal fringe, and synaptic plasticity. Convergence is when many presynaptic neurons, they're going to turn on one postsynaptic membrane, and divergence is one neuron, it acts on the many postsynaptic neurons. Whereas one-way conduction, it occurs because of the functional property of the synapse, that is, it has a presynaptic neuron cleft in that neurotransmitter and postsynaptic neurons. The events has to occur in this direction only. Whereas synaptic delay is because of the time required for events in the presynaptic membrane and in the postsynaptic membrane, and it is minimum is 5.5 milliseconds. Where fatigue occurs because of the depletion of the neurotransmitter because of the repeated stimuli, where summation is addition of the membrane potential, that is IPSPs or EPSPs. Temporal summation occurs when the postsynaptic membrane is stimulated at the different sites, and those EPSPs or IPSPs are added. Temporal summation is when the postsynaptic membrane is stimulated at a single point and it is repeatedly stimulated one after another, so potentials are added up. Occlusion and subliminal fringe occurs because of the involvement of the many neurons. So occlusion is when many neurons are stimulated, but further it is going to stimulate a few neurons because of the overlapping of the stimulation, and is called as occlusion. Whereas subliminal fringe occurs because when there are stimulation of the few neurons, it is going to stimulate multiple neurons as it goes in a forward direction, because of the some of the neurons, they are in a subliminal fringe. Whereas synaptic plasticity is the alteration in the strength or weakness of the synaptic activity, which occurs because of the post-tetanic potentiation, long-term potentiation, long-term depression, habituation, and sensitization.